Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Coinbase Password Reset. If you have forgotten your Coinbase password, don't worry. Resetting it is a straightforward process. First, go to the Coinbase website and click on the Login button. Since you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link located below the password field. You will be redirected to a page where you need to enter your email address associated with your Coinbase account. Enter your email address and click on the Reset Password button. Coinbase will send a password reset email to your email address. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Coinbase. Open the email and click on the Reset Password link. You will be redirected to a page where you need to enter a new password and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. Make sure your new password is strong and unique, and that it meets the password requirements specified by Coinbase. After entering your new password, click on the Reset Password button. Your password will be reset, and you will be able to log in to your Coinbase account using your new password. It is essential to use a strong and unique password to protect your Coinbase account from unauthorized access. Best practices for password management include using a password manager to generate and store unique and complex passwords, enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security, and avoiding using the same password across multiple accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely reset your Coinbase password and protect your account.